Hello, teacher.
Hello, dear students.
Hello, teacher.
Dear teachers.
Hello, teacher.
And experts. Hello.
teacher.
So nice to see you again. Hello, Nuray and Samir Melim and Güzel. Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Everybody is here.
How are you, Matanat? Are you okay?
Hello, dear Maria.
What about the other teachers? Are you okay?
Everything is okay, and Ana Hanım
Very
is
good.
here from Turkey, and Maria is here from Italy. Hello.
Hello.
I hope the students from Georgia will join too. Students from Georgia too.
Yes, we are joined from Turkey too. Me and my students from Sakarya.
Okay, very nice. So nice to meet
My
you.
students are joining too.
Yeah, we will wait. We will wait.
Okay.
Okay. 32 students and teachers are here from 4 countries. From 4 countries: Azerbaijan, Georgia, Turkey, and Italy.
Hello.
And our experts are here. I see them.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hi, teacher.
Hi. Okay. More than 30 pupils joined. Okay. I'd like to remind you and to the students that our experts will make a speech and presentation about what is live. And then after the presentation, we will play a Kahoot game according to this presentation. That's why you should pay attention to the presentation information given by experts so that you will play about this topic and about this information Kahoot game. That's why I'd like to inform you that you need two devices, one for watching Kahoot game and watching the questions and seeing the colors of the answers, and the second you will need to joining to Kahoot game. That's why you need two device here. Please be ready for this and get prepared for them. Okay, we are.
Matanat, sorry.
Yeah.
When the students are going to play Kahoot, can you explain slowly, please? Because some of my students have never played that before.
We will explain, maybe they will understand and they can join the game. Yes, it doesn't matter to
It's
play.
easy, I know.
Yes, they
It's
will
easy.
watch only, and it will be their first experience in playing Kahoot. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, now I'd like to share my screen. And okay, welcome to our event. Please mute your microphones, please. Mute your microphones. Dear students, mute your microphones. And I'm greeting you from Baku, from Azerbaijan. Let's start our online event on the frame of e-twinning project, the nature offices. As you know, we have worked on the project more than 4 months, and hope you enjoy working on this project and got a lot of information, a lot of knowledge and skills. And it will help you in your future life, in your future experience. And what can I say? Today's meeting topic is what is life, and we invited experts to our meeting. They are parents of Nuray Hüseyinli, my students' parents, and the topic is what is life. And what can I say about the experts? Samir Hüseyinov, he is ecologist and he works at Ministry of Ecology and Natural Resources as advisor, and excuse me, and Gülzar Hüseyinova, she is ecologist too, and she graduated from Baku State University and works as ecologist. Now I'd like to give the word to Mr. Hüseyinov and Mrs. Hüseyinova, and I'd like to thank them for accepting our invitation and joining the event. Great thanks. Please, the word is yours, please. The room is yours.
Thank you, Matan.
Okay.
Good evening to everyone. And if you're ready, we can start now.
Okay.
Water is more important than you think. One water molecule is made up of 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. 1 drop of water is made up of billions of these molecules. But water, as we know, it is almost always more than just water. A drop of ocean water, for example, also has salt, sediment, and maybe even some small organisms. Next slide, please.
It doesn't go. I don't know why. Okay.
As we know, there are only a few important substances for the existence of life on Earth. Water is one of such substances. While we humans can survive without food for 3 weeks, we can hardly endure more than 3 days without a drop of water. Water is the main driving force of all vital processes in the human body and other living organisms. Whether in terms of respiration, regulation of body temperature, or cell propagation. People need water to stay healthy, to follow personal hygiene, and for fun. For millennia, humans have used water to grow food, produce crops, and obtain energy. As technology advances, people are finding more efficient ways to use water, but water is still used for almost the same purposes: to produce food and goods, to generate energy, and to maintain health. Next slide, please.
Please.
The problem of water scarcity covers all continents. In 2015, the World Economic Forum assessed water scarcity as the biggest global risk for the next decade. 2/3 of the world's population has to live with severe water shortages for at least a month a year. 500 million people suffer from severe water shortage throughout the year. Half of the world's major cities have water shortage. Very little of the world's water is fresh and accessible. From a technical point of view, there is enough fresh water to provide humanity. However, as a result of the unequal distribution of water resources, some areas are extremely humid and some areas are dry. In addition, the growing demand for fresh water in recent decades has exacerbated water shortage. If the current trends continue, the demand for water in 2030 is expected to exceed 40%. World population growth, rising living standards, changing lifestyles, and the expansion of illegal agriculture are the main reasons for the growing demand of water. Climate change, deforestation, increased pollution, and wasteful water use, which are accompanied by changing weather conditions such as floods and droughts that lead to limited water supply. Economic development might intensify this process, but they can solve this problem by taking timely measures. Important facts. How much water is in human body? Up to 17% of an adult's body is made up of water. 33% of the brain and heart, about 83% of the lungs are water. Nearly 97% of the world's water is salty or otherwise undrinkable. 30% of fresh water is in the ground. A jellyfish and cucumber are each 95% water. Water regulates the Earth's temperature. Unsafe water kills 200 children every hour. A person can live about a month without food, but only about 3 days' time without water. Water is the only mineral that's found naturally on Earth in 3 forms: liquid, gas, and solid. About a quarter of the world's population lives in 70 countries with high level of water scarcity. Countries suffering from water shortage: Qatar, Israel, Lebanon, Iran, Jordan, Libya, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Eritrea, United Arab Emirates, San Marino, Bahrain, India, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, Oman, and Botswana. These countries are located in the Middle East and North Africa. India ranked 13th on the list, has a population 3 times that of all the other 16 countries. In the 17 countries most affected by water scarcity, agriculture and industry, as well as municipalities, consume an average of 18% of this surface and groundwater used each year. Also, the United States ranks 71st on the list. New Mexico State faces the same level of water shortage as the United Arab Emirates. And how we can save the water? The simplest way to save water: do not keep the water open while doing this, while brushing your teeth, while shaving, while washing dishes. Remember to turn the tap when brushing your teeth. Fill the water halfway while taking a bath. and change yourself, not nature. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Too.
I should say that our expert doesn't know English, but Nuray helped him and her father. That's why he read from the slideshow, but he prepared with his daughter this presentation. Thank you for joining and helping each other, and also to our teachers. And have you got any questions? Have you got any questions? I can translate for you. Please, have you got any questions? Please. No. And Mr. Hussein, what can you say about the water shortage in Azerbaijan? Water shortage in Azerbaijan. Azərbaycanda qıtlıq barəsində nə deyə bilərsiniz? Su qıtlığı. Zəhmət olmasa, excuse me, please mute your microphones, please. Mute your microphones. Okay, I will mute everybody here. Okay. What can you say about the shortage, water shortage? Su qıtlığı barəsində nə deyə bilərsiniz? Siz Azərbaycanca cavab verə bilərsiniz, mən tərcümə edə bilərəm.
Dünyanın bəzi ölkələrində olduğu kimi Azərbaycanda da su ilə bağlı bəzi problemlər var. Bildiyiniz kimi
Okay, there is some shortage. Yes, there is some water shortage in Azerbaijan too. It is maybe in every part of the world there is such a shortage problem, and in Azerbaijan too. Please.
Azərbaycan bildiyiniz kimi şirin su ehtiyatlarını əsasən Azərbaycandan kənarda formalaşan su hövzələrindən, Kür çayından, Volqa çayından və digər iri çaylardan götürür.
Drinkable water in Azerbaijan comes from Kür, from Volga, such rivers, from the Kür, the Volga, and the Araz. Then.
Və bu sular da qonşu ölkələr, bir neçə ölkənin ərazisindən keçdiyi üçün həddindən artıq çirklənməyə məruz qalır.
And these rivers rises not in the territory of Azerbaijan, but in the neighbors territories. From they rises in the neighbors countries, and that's why maybe we have some problems with the water.
Və biz bu suyun içməli hala gətirilməsi üçün onu bir çox təmizləmə prosesindən keçir və bu həmin proses zamanı suyun itkisinə yol verilir.
Okay, that's why Azerbaijan clear up all this water for making it drinkable in Azerbaijan. Please, who is this? Why? I don't know. Please mute your microphone. Çox sağ olun. Məncə bu qədər kifayətdir. It's enough. Who has another question? Have you got any? Musa, have you got any question?
Yes, in what the fruit which there are more than all fruits water.
What does it mean, more fruits? Fruits water? Musa?
In which fruit there are many much water than others.
Okay. Hansı meyvelerde daha çok su var sizce? Başqalarına baxanda
konkret belə demək olmaz ki, bu meyvədə ən çox sudur. Amma sulu meyvələr qarpızdır. Meyvələrin əksəriyyəti sulu meyvələrdir. Bildiyimiz kimi var quru meyvələr, sulu meyvələr. Qarpızdır, yemişdə, apelsində, bunlarda suların ehtiyatı, su balansı daha çoxdur, nəinki digər meyvələrdə. Və bu
Okay.
siyahıdan çıxırmaq da olar.
We can't say exactly, Musa, we can't say exactly or count them. There are a lot of such fruits, and we can say that fruits consist a lot of water, especially watermelon. As you know, especially watermelon consists of water.
Orange, watermelon.
Yeah, orange, watermelon, pomegranate maybe.
Yes, pomegranate.
Okay.
Lemon.
Then have you got any question? Yes, students? No,
I have.
no, you haven't got any question. Thank you, dear experts, for such presentation and answering the
Thank you.
questions. Thank you very much. Now we will
you for
play
your-
Kahoot, please.
Thank you for your invitation, Mətanət xanım.
Thank you.
We hope we were able to provide useful information for you.
Thank you. Thank you. We will invite you to our school and we will meet with you again and again. Thank you.
Okay, with great pleasure.
Okay. And now I ask you to prepare 2 devices, dear students, and we will play Kahoot. And I'd like to share again my screen. Okay, and go to, excuse me, and go to Kahoot. I have prepared it for you. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we are.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
I wait this time very much.
Okay. Just now it will give you a code. You should go to kahoot.it. Okay. It is classic mode. Okay. Now you should go to kahoot.it. Please use the second device and write kahoot.it, and then it will ask you a pin code of the game and write this pin code. Anahan teacher, you can explain to your students in Turkish. If they don't understand, you can explain.
Benim öğrencilerim, öğretmen diyor ki siz diyor Kahoot için kendi browserinizde açın Kahoot sayfasını, oradan oyun oynayacaklar. Yani katılmak isteyenler katılabilir.
Kahoot.it yazacaksınız browser'da ve bu pin koddan istifade edeceksiniz.
Kahoot.it. Şurada ekranda yazıyor ya mesela. Ekranda yazıyor mesela www.kahoot.it. Ona girerek bu oyunu oynayabilirsiniz. Katılmak istiyorsanız yani.
Okay, Giovanni, Francesco are here. Okay, 27 students joined the game. We are waiting for more. Meg. Okay. We are waiting for 10 students. Okay, Ayşe. Please don't use the pencil. Please don't use. Okay, 29 students. And one more. Okay, İlknur again joined.
Teacher, 1 minute.
Okay, we are waiting. write kahoot.it and then use this pin code 601 and 215.
Teacher, 1 minute.
Okay. Banu is here.
I think some pupils will join.
Okay.
Teacher, my name is Çınar.
Yeah, I see. Çınar is here. Okay, Zeynep and Musa are here. Fidan, Filipa. Okay. Maria, you said that your students are not experienced in Kahoot, but they joined.
Yes, I see. All my students.
Yeah. Okay, 32 students are here. Let's start. Okay, nature officers, expert talks. You see, I see. About what is today's expert talk? You should choose one of the colors. About what is today's expert talk? About the air, about the soil, about the water, and about the school. Uh-huh. 2 and 1. Okay. Why it doesn't keep? Second, who are experts? The teachers, the parents, the partners, the parents of Nuray, and the students. Okay. 18 students answered correctly. Next. Who is the first? İdim is the first, Javadara second, Abbaslı Nergis, Recep and Rauf. Let's go next to next question. True or false? The talk is about the water. Is it true or false? You should answer not only correctly, but also speedy. Very quickly. Okay, 29 students answered correctly. Okay, Javadara, Recep, and Abbaslı Nergis are in the first 3 places. Okay, one water molecule is made of what? 2 atoms, 5 atoms, 1 atom, and 3 atoms. Okay, 14 students answered correctly. Nergis, Aynur, Rauf, and Musa. You see the scoreboard. True or false? A person can't live without water a 3 days time. Is it true or false? Okay, it is true, and 19 students answered correctly. True or false again? Okay, 29 students answered correctly. And who is the quickest? Okay. Next, Ainur is in the first place. Up to 10% of an adult's body is made of water. Is it true or false? Okay, it is false. Ainur is in the first place. Again. True or false? Nearly 97% of the world's water is salty and otherwise undrinkable. It is true. 23 students answered correctly. Okay. Nergiz is in the first place, second Nuray, third Recep, fourth is Javadara, and in the fifth place it is Ainur. Let's go to the next question. We must save water. Is it true or false? Mm-hmm. Yes, it is true. 27 students answered correctly. Okay. And the last question, saving water means saving ourselves. Okay, 27 students answered correctly. It is true. Let's go to our scoreboard. Okay. The third place is in the, Recep is in the third place, Nuray is in the second, and Nergiz Abbaslı is in the first place with the 9,197 scores. 10 out of 10 questions. She answered 10 out of 10 questions. Let's applaud them. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. The Kahoot game, this Kahoot game and the questions are not so difficult, I think. They were not such questions that they will check you or test you. They only give information you, and they were teaching questions and teaching answers, that you should learn something, or you should study according to these questions. What is the formula of water? How many percent of water is there in the human body? And how many percent of water in the world is drinkable or undrinkable? It is the questions give you some information, and they learn you or teach you. Thank you for your answers, and I'd like to go to feedback. Okay, please show feedback on the screen. Okay, let's go. Okay, view report and see everybody's score here. I'd like to see everybody's score here. We have only 3 minutes, and that's why I'm in a hurry. As you know, Zoom gives only limited time, only 40 minutes. That's why I'm in a hurry. Okay. Hülya, please clear all these things. Dear Hülya, please clear. They are players, and we will see. Okay, Nergiz Abbaslı is in the first play, Nuray second, Recep, Cavad Ağa, Aynur, Rauf, Musa, Ferit, Fidan, Zeynep with 90%. Then Esenli, Banu, Ayşe with 90%, and in the group, she's Tofik, Fikret, Ismail, İlknur, Ahmed, Fatime, Alessandra, Meg, Francesca, Viviana, Elhan, Emin, Francesca, Çınar, Giovanni, and Idim. You see your scores and points. How many points have you got? You see, and how many questions you have answered and or didn't answer. Okay, thank you for joining. I'd like to stop my sharing. Thank you for joining the meeting. Thank you, dear our experts. Thank you to all teachers and also all students for joining this maybe interesting expert talk. If you have any words, you can take a word. Please, Maria, have you got anything to say?
I think that it was a really good meeting. The expert was really clear in his explanation. He said very interesting things, and my students enjoyed the meeting. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you, Matanat.
Thank you, dear Maria. Thank you to you and to your students. Ana Hanım, please. Ana Hanım teacher, please.
Thank you very much for your meeting too. I like this meeting, and some of my students joined to this meeting, and thank you them too. And I want to say thank you to our experts too. That's all. I haven't another thing
to say. Thank you, dear students, for joining.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, students. Bye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you, students. Bye. Thank you.
Samir müəllim and Gülzar Hanım, çok sağ olun.
Thank you, teacher.
Sağ olun.
Sağ olun.